Hi, I am Ananta. I am from Perangalathur, Chennai. I am working in an IT company as a consultant. Born and brought up in Madurai and then came to Chennai for a work. And she is my wife, Lakshmi. She is a yoga trainer here. And we bought this villa in 2 years before. And we are using this elite for more than a year now. My first daughter is a special child and she needed a special assistance to reach the first floor. So we started looking for an option in the net and we found stairlift as one of the options.
We Google search it and get a lot of options. We got a better option as a stairlift because it never need a civil construction work. So I suggested him to search for it.
After doing a lot of search in Google, we found eliteelevators. Stairlift is one of the options available in India. And then I reached out to my cousin friend in Qatar and he suggested eliteelevators as a top available option in India and we went for that. We are using eliteelevators for more than a year now. It is very much user friendly and with no maintenance cost at most, and they are very good in service.
Chairlift is very good and only because of that we are taking our child to our first floor master bedroom. She is enjoying that ride.
It has many features to customize, right from the colors of the rail and also the chair color, and we also can choose the angle in which we wanted to start and stop. This helps very much to satisfy our needs. Once we place the order in Elite, they had a very good process defined, and once the measurement is taken, they have spent almost a day in our house to make sure all the measurements are right. And once the measurements are done, and they have taken to the CRM team, and also their CRM team is very much keeping us posted on the progress of the the manufacturing. And it was manufactured in Netherlands and it was imported through flight, and it was very much well taken care by the CRM team to reach the place safely. Once it reaches here, and the team came here and installed. 2 members came and they just installed in a day time, and it was very much hassle free, and my daughter really enjoyed the ride once the installation is done, and that the Elite team is also very much happy about their installations.
We use the ground floor alone before stairlift. After installation, every day we take her to the master bedroom at the first floor. She enjoys the ride every night. She wants to go there only for sleep. She is enjoying a lot. We are happy after installation and after the first ride reaching the first floor. Happiness in my daughter's face. It feels very proud for us. Moreover, the installation team, we saw happiness and proud in their faces too. It's a great achievement for us also.
Thank you, eliteelevators.